How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 massage mechanism. You will need a manual Phillips head screwdriver, paper clip, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Remove the tablet from the chair. Unzip both sides and the top of the backrest pad. Tip the backrest pad forward onto the seat. Use a paper clip to unzip the massage mechanism fabric cover, then tip the cover forward onto the seat. Make sure the lower massage mechanism is out of sight or lower than shown. If the massage mechanism is in the position shown or higher, you cannot complete this procedure without moving the lower massage mechanism out of the way. Contact customer service for instructions. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the right-hand plastic bracket, then remove the bracket. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the right-hand metal bracket, then remove the bracket. Remove the same 2 brackets on the left-hand side of the chair. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 visible screws that secure the back cover. Detach the top of the fabric panel to expose the 5th back cover screw, then remove the screw. Remove the back cover. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the massage mechanism harness to the chair frame. Disconnect the white massage mechanism harness connectors. Disconnect the blue connectors. Connect the battery to the mech walking tool that came with the massage mechanism. Connect the mech walking tool connector to the upper blue massage mechanism connector to automatically move the massage mechanism down the track. Stop when the upper massage mechanism wheels reach the opening that was created by removing the brackets. Remove the massage mechanism by feeding the upper wheels through the opening, followed by the lower wheels. Remove the wheels from the massage mechanism. Now, let's replace it. Place the wheels onto the new massage mechanism. Install the massage mechanism into the track by feeding the lower wheels through the opening in the track, followed by the upper wheels. Note that the upper end of the massage mechanism has a metal plate with 4 holes in it. Note the 2 tabs on the metal massage mechanism bracket you removed previously. Replace the right-hand metal bracket by sliding the 2 tabs into the slots on the chair frame and aligning the screw holes. Replace the 2 screws to secure the bracket. Replace the right-hand plastic bracket, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. Be sure to use a manual Phillips head screwdriver to avoid damaging the bracket. Replace both brackets on the left-hand side of the chair. Connect the white connector on the new massage mechanism to the corresponding connector from the chair. Feed a zip tie through one of the metal bracket holes, then secure the massage mechanism harness to the metal bracket. Using a different metal bracket hole, secure the harness to the bracket using a second zip tie. Cut the excess zip ties. Place the massage mechanism fabric cover into position, then use a paper clip to close the zipper. Raise the backrest pad into position, then zip both sides and the top of the pad to the chair. Note the 3 posts on the top of the back cover and the 2 tabs on the side. Note the corresponding sockets on the top of the chair and the 2 slots on the side. Aligning the back cover posts with the sockets and the back cover tabs with the slots, press the back cover into position. Replace the 4 upper screws to secure the back cover. Use your finger to locate the lower screw hole, then replace the lower screw to finish securing the back cover. Fold the top of the fabric panel over to expose the hook and loop fasteners, then attach the top of the panel to the hook and loop fastener strip on the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.